Hey guys, this is David with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with a Studio 3 wireless right speaker replacement video. All parts and tools listed in the video are sold on our website linked below, or you can comment in the section below and we can assist you on how to buy the parts if we don't have them on our website. So to begin, we will need to remove the right ear pad. I'll be using a pry tool that looks like this, and go ahead and pry up this ear pad just like that. Once you got the ear pad taken care of, you can unscrew the speaker housing. Alright, once we got the screws taken out, you want to be careful not to put the speaker in, like, close to the screws, as it is a magnet and your screws will get into the speaker and damage them, so keep those two separate. Alright, open this speaker up, and what you're going to need to do is only use this blue wire will need to be unsoldered, and the charger port was replaced in the previous video. If you need to replace or remove the charger port, you can look up the Studio 3 charger port replacement video. In this video, this charger port is removed, so I won't be showing you guys how to remove that. Go ahead and pull out this bundle of wires and unsolder these two wires that are going to the speaker. So that's how you would remove the speaker. All it is two wires that are soldered onto it, and the AUX or the charger port is glued in here. You just need to put a little bit of heat onto the charger port and you can remove it. Alright, let's not forget this piece of rubber here. And let's put the bad speaker aside. Grab your new speaker. First thing I like to do is solder on this wire here. This is the blue wire, which has two cores. So the blue goes on this side of the headphones, and the red one goes on this side. So blue, red. Once you got that soldered on, you can put the charger port back in. It doesn't have to be glued. Let's put this piece of rubber onto the MS port like that and put it in the groove. It is very important to make sure this MS port is installed correctly, because if you don't install it correctly, it falls out, you'll have sound problems. So once you have this all put together, you can just close the speaker back up. Make sure there's no wires in the way. As you can tell, this hole here has a little bit of wire in the way. You can go ahead and adjust the wires. Alright, it looks clear now. No wires are in the way of the screw holes, and we can go ahead and start screwing the speaker back in. Once you have the speaker screwed in, you can go ahead and install your ear pad. If you have tape still installed, you can go ahead and use the same tape, or we do sell ear pad tape on our website. You can go ahead and look that up. So install the ear pad and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions regarding this video or the repair tutorial, comment in the comment section below. and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.